want to use my own phone to show you example how tracker detect works. So what I found out, we are measured at the end of the day. Remember, what I'm tracking and what I'm looking for is to know whether somebody using AirTag to track me. What I actually did is to click on the application on my phone, then and click scan. Then you now start to scan. So that's exactly what I do. Remember, I have already downloaded the application from Play Store and I have already installed it. In the previous video, I showed you how to download it, how to install it. This is exactly how it's being used. Then what I'm doing is just to scan it. Within this period, it will be scanning, looking for any device that is tracking my location, that I want to know where exactly I am. That's exactly what it's doing now. And as long as it stays, it's as long as it's looking for those what is called AirTag or any device that linked to my location, to my device, that's my phone, trying to know my location. So far I will allow you to see how it goes, and allow you to see how long it has spent. In less than 5 minutes or 3 minutes, it was able to conclude the scan, then and show the result. So hold on and see the result by yourself. I'm not touching anything, I'm just allowing it to scan. So you can see the results now. No item tracker found. That's exactly the results so far. Let me zoom this in so that you see it. You saw the result by yourself. So this will enable you to know when you are being tracked or when somebody is using a tag on you, to know your location, where you go, and your movement. If this video inspires you to take action, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and follow us on Facebook too.